How to get King Arthur in Age of Empires Mobile. So to unlock King Arthur in Age of Empires Mobile, you need to participate in the King Arthur's Arrival event and collect his hero fragments. So first thing you want to do is just participate in the King's Arthur Arrival event. This is a limited event focused on acquiring King Arthur. Look for event announcements and participate actively. Then the event rewards will include the hero fragments, which are essentially for unlocking him. So to obtain hero fragments, you can find them in various places, including the event rewards from the event, some legendary chests, which may be requiring in-game currency or real-world money to open, and some limited time summons, which are often tied to specific events. You will also need a certain number of fragments to unlock King Arthur. You can also need to reach level 17 on VIP. So if you reach level 17 on VIP levels, you can spend the Empire coins in the game. And reaching level 17 on a VIP unlocks a special event that offers a direct way to obtain King Arthur. And note that reaching VIP 17 requires a substantial investment of Empire coins. And you might also want to consider limited time offers and bundles. So pay attention to the offers and bundles that may appear during the King Arthur's arrival event. And these offers can include hero fragments or other items that will help you acquire King Arthur. And lastly, you want to maximize your hero's potential, so once you unlock King Arthur, you'll need to upgrade him further, which involve collecting more fragments, gear pieces, and magma crystals.